Ready? Start. The instant writ petition has been preferred by 4 petitioners who all are owners of a land situated in district Shamli where they have the crops and trees planted on the land full stop. Over this land, the respondent numbers 2 and 3 are setting up a high tension electricity transmission line, and because of which the petitioners suffer from the loss of crops, trees and devaluation of the land full stop. As far as trees are concerned, certain compensation has been awarded, but no compensation has been awarded for the corridor area over which the high tension wire passes through bracket open, known as right of way, ROW bracket closed full stop. The Government of India through Ministry of Power had issued certain guidelines by means of a government order bracket open in short, GO bracket close dated 15/10/2015, which provides for payment of compensation towards damages with regard to ROW for transmission lines as well as for the tower base area full stop para. As per GO dated 15/10/2015, 85% of the land value has to be paid by the district magistrate on the tower base area on which the heavy metallic tower is set up full stop. Further, a compensation towards diminution of land value bracket open in the width of ROW corridor due to laying of transmission line bracket close was to be awarded, which was subject to the maximum 15% of the land value as determined on circle rate guideline value Stamp Act rate full stop para. The Government of India through Ministry of Power issued another guideline wide GO dated 14/6/2024 for payment with regard to ROW for transmission lines, wherein the compensation for the tower base area was increased to 200% and the land value for ROW corridor area was increased to 30% of the land value full stop para. Again, the Government of India through Ministry of Power issued another circular on 21/3/2025 providing a supplementary guideline for payment of compensation with regard to ROW for transmission line of interstate high voltage electricity lines full stop para. The respondent authorities, while determining the compensation of trees and crops coming under the transmission line area, failed to follow the guidelines and provided no compensation for the ROW of corridor area full stop. The petitioners made several representations to the respondents, but no heed was paid to it full stop para. Aggrieved by this situation, the petitioners preferred a writ petition being writ C number 20077 of 2025 bracket open Pradeep Kumar and others versus State of UP and others bracket close, which was disposed of by a division bench of this court wide order dated 4/11/2025 with the following directions para. Double inverted comma open. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case and without going into the merits of the case, we dispose of the writ petition permitting each petitioners to file separate representations under Rule 3 bracket 2 of the Works of Licensees Rules, 2006, ventilating their grievances before the respondent numbers 5 District Magistrate, Shamli, and Respondent number 6, District Magistrate, Saharanpur, along with a certified copy of this order within a period of 1 month from today, full stop. In case any such representation is filed by the petitioners, concerned respondent authority shall pass separate orders on the representation of each petitioners strictly in accordance with law of after giving due notice and opportunity of hearing to each petitioners within a period of 2 months thereafter, full stop, para. As per the directions given by this court, the petitioners preferred representation on 21/11/2025 and 21/1/2006 to the respondents, raising the grievance and requested the respondents for compensation of land, trees and the damaged crops, full stop. The respondents, by the help of police force, opened the high tension electricity line on 5/2/2026, full stop, para. On 10/3/2026, the respondent number 4 disposed of the representation filed by the petitioners, wherein he stated that the state had implemented the earlier GO dated 15/10/2015, but however, since the GO dated 14/6/2024 issued by the Ministry of Power has not been implemented by the state and no compensation has been awarded to them, full stop. It has been further stated that since the transmission line was not interstate transmission line, hence, the GO dated 21/3/2025 will not be applicable, full stop.